Viking sewing and embroidery machines have their own specific bobbins. So they come in packs of 10. They're green bobbins, and this is what will come with your machine. So a green bobbin, it has a H on it, so with the Husqvarna symbol, so you know that they are the proper bobbins for your machine. So the green bobbins are what come with your machine. You can also purchase packs of 20 bobbins, which are coloured bobbins, and these are so that you can wind specific types of thread on them. So if you wanted to put cotton on the red bobbins and polyester on the yellow bobbins, for example, you can wind them by type, so you know that's what the sort of the thread you've got on your bobbins. The watercolour bobbins have also got a H on them. So these bobbins fit all the Husqvarna Viking embroidery machines in the current range and older machines. So for example, the Designer Diamond, Designer Ruby, the Sapphires, the Topazes. So I'm going to show you how to wind your bobbin. So with the H uppermost, I'm going to place it onto the bobbin winder. So the H uppermost onto the bobbin winder. I'm going to take my reel of thread, and it's on my spool pin ready, and you want it so that the thread is coming off the top, preferably, of the reel of thread. We're going to take it round this little metal silver piece here, and then we're going to come down and we're going to go around this little round little thread guide here, and we need to just make sure that that pulls into it and clicks. So just pull it towards you and you'll hear it click into place so that it's in place. So round this metal bit and then round this silver guide here, and then we're going to go across and through this little fork guide here, and then we're going to take the thread end and we're going to just put it up through the hole in the bobbin. So I'm just going to take the bobbin back off for a moment, and we're going to just place the thread up through the little hole, pull it, and then we'll place the bobbin back onto the bobbin winder. So just pull it through so you've got your thread end on there. We're then going to push the bobbin winder across so that it's engaged, and then I'll show you on the screen what you'll see. So now that we've engaged the bobbin winder, you'll see on the screen it says bobbin winding on. Before we start to wind the bobbin, I'm going to take my speed down. So we need to take the speed down to about half on your machine. So whichever machine you've got, we recommend that you only wind your bobbins at half speed. So take the speed down, and then we can wind our bobbin. So holding the thread end, I'm going to use the stop start button in preference to using the foot control to wind the bobbin. So I'm going to press the stop start button. It'll start to wind. Once it starts to wind, you can stop the machine. You can just cut that thread end away and get it out of the way, and then you can continue to wind your bobbin by pressing the stop start button. If you're winding a bobbin fully, a full bobbin, then what will happen is it will stop automatically once it is full for you to cut your thread and to put your bobbin into your machine. But if you are not winding a full bobbin, you can just stop it whenever you have got enough thread on your bobbin.